Hi guys, I'm Mia, trainer from AiHouse. Today, we'll learn how to install the SketchUp synchronized connection plugin for AiHouse whole house customization. Now we are in the AiHouse design interface. First question: where to download the plugin? See the first icon on the left side, floor plan. Click this icon, and you will find free modeling below. Left-click free modeling and enter. Once you enter this interface, you'll see the model interconnection button on the top toolbar and click it. Then a pop-up window will appear with a help entry. Click Help to open the Help Center, which contains full guide for installing the plugin. Help Center docs update continuously for latest updates here. Alright, let's focus on core part, plugin download and installation. Scroll down to view the installation guide. The first step is to confirm your version requirements. First, check the version of your AiHouse software. It must be June 30th, 2026 version or later version. Go back to AiHouse design interface. If you don't see the model interconnection button, that means your AiHouse version is outdated. Click Cancel and return free modeling. There are two ways to check the software version. You can view the version number in the bottom left corner, or go to About under Help in the top right corner to check the version. If your version is older than June 30th, 2026, SketchUp interconnection will not function. Second, your SketchUp version needs to be 2024 or later. Once you meet these two version requirements, we can move on to the next step. Download the plugin. Here you can clearly see the plugin name and its download link. After clicking the link, you will need to select a save location for the plugin file. Click Save, and the plugin will download automatically. Once the download finishes, most browsers will pop up a notification indicating the download is complete. You can also locate the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of your browser. Click on it to open the menu, and there will normally be an option named something like Downloads. You can view all your downloaded files here. Now I have opened and logged into SketchUp 2026. Select any template to launch it, and then we can install the plugin we just downloaded. Locate the extension manager in the top toolbar and click Install Extension. Next, find the folder where you saved the plugin file. Select the plugin and click Open. To start the installation, there is one key detail to note. By default, the plugin will be disabled after installation. You should click here to enable it, and click Apply Changes at the bottom. Once you finish these steps, go back to the installation guide. It states that you need to restart SketchUp after installing the plugin. So I'm going to restart SketchUp and open any template now. How can we verify that the plugin is properly installed and the interconnection function works? Let's go back to the AiHouse design interface. Draw a basic house model. This is just a connectivity test, so the design details don't matter. Then enter free modeling. Click Model Interconnection and hit Confirm. Then you will see a green prompt at the top indicating connection successful. Open SketchUp, and you will find the house layout drawn in AiHouse has been synced to SketchUp. This means the interconnection is completed successfully. This is all about SketchUp synchronized connection. Thanks for watching.